What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna really quick show you guys how I achieve this look using the melting cap technique. So let's just get into it. So you want to pull the cap down basically on your forehead, and I used the Got2b freeze spray, and I sprayed it right above or right in front of my hairline. You want this part to stay in place, so I went over this maybe twice with the freeze spray. I used the blow dryer for about 5 to 10 minutes on high heat. You want it to be, this part to be as dry as you can get it and as hard as you can get it, because once you start cutting the cap is going to rise up. So you want to make sure that this part stays in place. So take your time, don't rush through it. Make sure everything is right. Here I am going to start cutting. You want to give yourself some room also when you cut, because as you cut, the cap is going to definitely rise up. So give yourself some room and go up, more and more as you get to, where you want it to be. So now I'm using my powder foundation that matches my complexion, and I'm going to go ahead and you want to apply this maybe the first inch or two on the cap, just so it blends in. So when you part your wig, it blends in with your scalp. So this is my first time actually using glue, and I still can't believe I actually used it. This is one thing that I've always been scared of, because I don't want my skin to be irritated and I don't want my edges to be going. But I'm not putting it on my edges. I'm putting it right before my hairline, and I used the Ghost Bond glue. I went over my hairline twice with it, and I again used my blow dryer for about 5 to 10 minutes on high heat. Okay, so when you put on your wig, you want to start in the middle. Always start in the middle and take your time. Do little by little. This part is very, very crucial, because once the wig dries, it's basically going to be stuck that way. So take your time, guys. Don't rush through it. And you want to do little by little. You see the hairline is still white, but no worries. Once it dries and everything melts in place, that is definitely going to go away. And I just had a little bit of lace there that I just had to cut off. Don't be scared to cut the lace, guys. I promise you it'll work out. And you want to go in with your comb and just press it down. Don't use your fingers. Some people use their fingers, but don't use your fingers. So next I'm going to go in with my wrap lotion to set the front of my wig and to lay down my edges. I find that using foam lotion is way better than edge control, because edge control, it makes your edges look and feel hard, and you want them to be as natural looking as possible. Also, I wanted to mention, if you guys wanted to know more about this wig, check out the curly bob video on my channel. It basically will give you any information that you need. The last final step would be to melt everything together with your scarf. I probably left it on for maybe about 20-30 minutes, let everything dry. And this is the finished look. It came out really, really, really good. And this was, again, my first time doing this method and using glue. And I'm really, really pleased at the results. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and also subscribe.